How to fix iPhone country change non-option not showing on your iOS. If you're struggling with the same problem, this video is right for you, as we will show you some tips and tricks on how we can fix it. Firstly, go and tap on Settings. Now go and tap on your account. As you open your account, all you have to do is tap on Media and Purchases. Once you tap on it, it will show you an option called View Account. Tap on it. Here, right under Manage Payments, there is an option called Country and Reason. Tap on Country and Reason, and it will take you a page where you can now choose your country or region. Once you find your desired country, tap on it. It will now show you some terms and conditions which you have to read properly, and it is of 19 pages. Once you read everything, tap on the Agree option which is on the top right corner of your screen. Once you do it, your country and region is now automatically changed. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.